Hey guys, JC here with Jackrabbit Off-Road, coming to you today with a fresh new 2020 RZR XP Turbo build that we just got out of our shop here. Check this out. We have fitted it with some massive 32-inch BF Goodrich Mud Terrains and some extremely heavy-duty, look at this, high lifter control arms. Check out the beef in these things. These are high clearance, so we're going to be able to get over those trail obstacles a whole heck of a lot easier. But this is what I really want to talk about, is this Rockford Stage 4 audio kit. This is with the all-new Color Optix speakers. PMX2 head unit. We've got speakers down here in the kick panel as well, and we do have a subwoofer where the center glove box used to be. Still got plenty of storage because we still got our center console storage here. We've got storage up here, so we still got lots of storage. But now we've got a subwoofer and a lot of sound. And these are able to be controlled by the RF Connect app. So they're on display mode right now. They're going through all the color cycles, but you can change them to any color to match the ride. This is our Thumper Fab radius roll cage for the Turbo RZR. As you can see, it's got a little radius to the top edge of the cage there. Gives you this nice, low, sleek, aggressive look down front, but still gives you great headroom as well. And just looks mean and ready to go. So yeah guys, check it out on our Facebook channel, Instagram, YouTube, and online at jroffroad.com. Thanks.